Allison, President and CEO of PNC Construction out of Chattanooga, Tennessee, and also in Alabama. Wanted to welcome you to the wonderful, challenging, and rewarding world of construction.
My name is Justin Rogers. I'm a foreman at PNC Construction. I went to Southern Adventist University and I graduated with a bachelor's in construction management, but I've always kind of had an interest in doing things with my hands. My dad's always been a mechanic and I've been in his shop since I was a little kid, kind of tinkering, but I knew that I didn't want to fool with cars. And so I just kind of started into the construction management program. One of the first classes I took was AutoCAD, and I absolutely loved it. I loved kind of being able to tinker visually and kind of see immediately what something would look like, and then be able to go on the project side of it in the field and kind of see what that would look like. And so that's something that has kind of really drawn me into that, and I feel like it's kind of whet my appetite, and I just kind of want to get a big old taste of it now.
If you love to work outside, if you love to work with your hands, if you love results-oriented type work, if you like to be able to see a building and say, hey, I built that, then construction is definitely the line of work for you to be in. You don't need to go to a traditional four-year college and amass a bunch of debt just to get a job in the trades. I mean, you study trades, you go to a good trade school, and you come out ready to work. Like Justin, you can come to a company like this and just thrive.
Construction industry as a whole today, we have a major labor shortage that's affecting not only the general contractors but all of our trades that are working under us: electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, fire sprinkler, metal studs and drywall, doors, frames and hardware installers, carpentry, concrete workers, masons. All of these career paths as a whole. The average age of construction workers in general is 55 to 58 years old. There's a major shortage of people that are wanting to get involved in the trades.
This is one of the greatest things you can do. At the end of a day or end of a week or end of a project, you can look back and say, I did that. And it's one of the greatest feelings you can ever have, to feel the sense of accomplishment that you have in building something.
It's a wrap.